The PNI House WiFi660 video surveillance kit can be controlled locally or remotely from mobile devices via the XMEye application compatible with Android and iOS, and from the PC via the General CMS software. The CMS software installation file can be found on the CD included in the package or can be downloaded from our website on the product page download section. You can connect the camera to the internet via a wireless network. Also connect the camera to the NVR via a wireless connection. The maximum Wi-Fi transmission distance is 100 meters in the open field. The PNI House WiFi660 kit contains a recording unit, NVR, and 4 cameras, which can be used both indoor and outdoor, allowing you to monitor your home or business from anywhere you have an internet connection. With the NVR in the package, you can record and play back images from 8 full HD video surveillance cameras, 4 included in the kit plus 4 that can be purchased separately. To record images, you can mount an internal HDD with a capacity of up to 6 terabytes inside the NVR. The 4 cameras are each equipped with 4 IR plus floodlight LEDs endowment that offers you a quality filming at night at distances of up to 30 meters. Now you can watch real-time images from PNI House WiFi660 remotely. We also add full access to the system that allows you settings to view records, to download records, etc. Another advantage in this case is that the NVR in the kit can be accessed remotely via the internet via P2P connection without the need for special configurations in your router. For Android and iOS, we recommend the XMEye application.